thinking hard this morning. There's a pounding in my brain. The scent of whiskey hangs around me. The only thing to ease my pain. I can't stand to be at home now. The thought of you drives me insane. I run away to California, where no one even knows my name. And I take comfort in the unknown. No one caught up in my wake, and I will walk this path on my own to revel in this precious ache. I've been thinking hard this morning. There's a pounding in my brain. Whiskey bottles running low now. There's nothing left to ease my pain. I take comfort in the unknown. No one caught up in my wake, and I will walk this path on my own to revel in this precious ache. I've made some mistakes, but I've tried my best, living out broken dreams. Spending these 30 days on house arrest, it's about got me on my knees. A week since a tornado tore up my town, just barely missing me. And when this is over, you won't keep me down. It's all just a lesson you see. So speak to me quietly, oh don't make a sound. Let's hit the road.